Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Polokwane City 0. We talk football SA. Poti igama.
Long Dilang, hashtag strong. Mr. Shooter Atsama.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uringa game.
I go like too much game.
Yeah.
Sometimes we dominated the game.
Yes.
From the first whistle.
Yes.
So if Polokwane did it on a laboratory Palazzo Plana today.
Yeah.
Or Banavaran Polokwane Sundowns, then they were wrong.
Yeah.
The only tough game is an Antonio wins the defense. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, because you know Kaizer Chiefs has gotten nothing to lose.
Yes.
And all the Chiefs they have not to 3 points.
Yeah.
So again, I go like I do that game is still coming.
So
what I can say to Mamelodi Sundowns is collecting points.
yes.
We are not here for goals.
Consistently.
And then consistency. So remember how many years. So it shows you even 2026, 2027, it's still gonna be Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm just showing you the future now.
Yeah.
2026, 2027, PSL champions Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm telling you now, keep that in your archives.
Yes.
Because I even told the other guys before you guys came and interviewed me, before in August, September, I said 2025, 2026, PSL champions Mamelodi Sundowns without the ball being kicked in the new season. So now it's 5 points different. The games are equal when we came today, but they are going to play after us. So we've got no pressure. We are just collecting points. Let the league end 2 points currently. When I see the way Sundowns is playing, I don't know how we're gonna drop points. The only dropping points of when you say or Sundowns lose like a draw.
Yes.
Yeah, we understand. So I never know pressure, bra. League is gone.
Yeah.
No, you can pray and go to any Sangoma you want.
Sundowns know how to win the league.
No, it's a marathon.
Yeah.
When we started to just shake it, but we know how to win the league.
Yes.
This is the only team consistently CAF Champions League. So you must win the league to play in the CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
You can't play CAF Champions League and want to be number 2.
Yeah.
So that's it. So Mamelodi Sundowns, 3 Champions League, number 1 in Africa, number 1 in South Africa.
Yes.
Forever and ever champion until we say we are enough.
Yeah,
that's what.
Enough.
With the Vela, they
can give them.
No, with the Vela, it when we say we are enough. Not now.
Right now, you still want it.
No, right now, let's make history in South Africa. Let's make history until remember this TV sponsorship went away because we won it 4 times in a row.
Yeah.
So now, Betway, I think they're gonna run away also. So I think it for the second time. We're gonna be the 3rd time Betway Premiership. Then we move.
Yeah.
So let's wait for next season. Pirates must try next season.
Not this time.
Not I know.
Yeah.
When I told it, I said to you, we've got title contenders.
Yes.
Those are title contenders, number 2 to number 16. We've got title holders. These are the league champions. So we are the defending champions. So the league is ours.
There's nothing they can do.
No, other teams from number 2 to number 16, they want to fight for relegation to survive top 8, CAF and what. So ours is sealed and secure. No, ours is sealed and secure. We go for points. We go for points.
So Wednesday we are playing Chiefs.
Yeah.
Finally, what can you say?
No, I said to you.
Yeah.
I think we're going to Satan.
Yeah.
We are Mamelodi Sundowns. We don't talk about. No, we talk about it when we play on the day.
Yes.
For now, we don't want to spit out our plans and say what we're gonna do. No.
Yes.
The mandate is 3 points. On Wednesday, the mandate is 3 points. That's all I can say. I'm not saying Sundowns is gonna win. I'm saying the mandate is 3 points.
No, the mandate has to be there.
No, the boys know the mandate from the supporters is 3 points.
Yes.
For how many goals, we don't care.
Thank you,
The
Sundowns.
mandate is 3 points.
We talk football SA.
Football SA.
Yes.
Guys, I'll follow you. No problem. I'll follow you. No problem.
Thank you.
YouTube, Twitter, Instagram.
Yes, everywhere. Thank you.